cylinders will be at rest. Here we have one problem of acceleration. Problem is very simple. If you start, yes, Abdul, you can, any doubt are there, you can talk it, no problem. Yeah, Abdul, any doubts? Okay, fine, no. Okay, yeah, yes, no problem. So what is the state initially? Spring is, so let me, you better read question. Adiabatic piston of mass m. Piston is non-conducting. Where is the piston? Piston is this one. Adiabatic piston of mass m equally divides an insulate container of length L. One end of light spring is connected to the piston and the other end to the right wall. The container contains equal volume V0 of helium gas in each part. Okay, we will write first all things. The pressure on both sides of piston is P0, that is indicated. The container starts moving with acceleration A towards right, find the elongation of the spring. When acceleration of piston equals the acceleration of container. Some means at one position, the piston will be at rest with respect to container. I think the problem we can make it a little bit very, if you can think in terms of that the piston is here now. Okay, I brought the piston. I slightly displaced it. So why you are displacing it? So this is the acceleration of container. Then this piston is having mass m. A pseudo force is, I'll apply it. This is the first time thermodynamics we are bringing pseudo force. Do remember. That's the reason why I picked up this problem. In the ground frame, no need of pseudo force will come. The spring is elongated himself in the question given. So therefore, spring force. This will be pressure here, P2A. This will be P1A. Any equations can we write? It's in equilibrium, no? Now, who is solving this problem? Person inside the chamber, inside that cylinder, is solving this problem. Okay, agreed. So for him, what he says, the piston is at rest. What is the comment? Piston is at rest. Person on the ground, what he says? No, the piston is moving. A person on the ground, what will be his comment? Piston moves along with container. You will say no relative motion between piston and the container. What about this person? It is at rest, you will say. I think I can ask you if there's a passage, option passages 1, 2, 3, 4, then I'll put some persons. I'll ask you frame of reference on the ground, frame of reference on the inside the piston. The motion will be different. Okay, let's equate is at rest now. Let me do with respect to this person. He will solve the problem. So he is going to write P1A plus Kx minus P2A minus MA equal to 0. I think this will be sufficient. He's asking the elongation. So what is the length of this will be? L by 2 plus X. This length will become. What about the length of this? L by 2 minus X. Now, what process the gas will undergo in both the parts? Anybody wants to reply? What process the gas will undergo in both the parts? Because that is very important to write the equation. What process the gas will undergo in both the parts? Adiabatic process, because cylinder is insulating, piston is insulating. No, it must be adiabatic process. So therefore, it is an adiabatic process. We'll write it. Adiabatic. I think we can solve very easily. When the moment adiabatic process will come, who will help us? The equation. So earlier P naught, this will be A L by 2. A L by 2 gamma, or initial volume V naught if you want. Okay, well, to minimize expressions, P naught A initial volume. What is the volume? Equal volume. The container contains equal volume V naught of helium gas in each part. Yeah, this will become V naught by 2 gamma. Equal volume, no? Equal volume. So it will be V naught only. Okay, this will be V naught gamma. The pressure final will be P2. Shall we write this as V naught plus AX gamma? This is what in the left part, in the right part. In the left part, P naught V naught gamma equal to P1 V naught minus AX gamma. So take V naught common. So he's asking only to get the value of X. So, but we don't know P1, P2. So the best thing is what you can do, substitute this P1, P2 here in this equation rather than put 3, 2 in 1. Then we'll solve it. So what is a V naught? V naught is volume. So it become V naught. What is the V naught we should write? We can write it as A L by 2. Look at that condition also. So after solving all, we'll get the answer. X is equal to MA K plus gamma P naught V naught by 2 to power of gamma minus 1. Okay, I think some I'm not sure. Okay, this is, we have to work out better. Can you solve this later on? I'll go for the next one more idea. Solving 3, 2, put 3, 2 in 1. So only X is unknown thing. And what to write V naught? V naught will become AL by 2. Then we'll get everything expression in terms of P naught and V naught. Okay, just make observation. I'll go for the next question.